Okay, we are building websites with HTML and CSS, which is like the way that people who are real awesome do it. I was going to try to think of some phrase, but nothing came. Like the way real men and real women do it. GreaterCommons.com, you could take the entire course for only $20 right here. It's this one, HTML and CSS. That's like 32 hours of video instruction. It's an amazing course. You'll be super solid with HTML and CSS if you watch that entire course. And now we are going to learn about doing Flexbox. And we've already been looking at CSS Tricks Flexbox and learning about the different properties for the Flex container. We have display flex, and then we had flex direction, row, column, flex wrap. And we've learned about flex flow, which is shorthand. And then there's justify content, which operates upon the primary axes. And flex direction sets the primary axes, row or column. And then we have align items, which aligns things on the cross axes, operates on the cross axes, right? So it'll align on the cross axes. And we could change, what we're going to explore here is changing from row to column, how that shifts things around. And so we're just going to see that, and we'll give one more assignment here. And I'm going to just work with this one, why not? So here we have, we're starting at flex start, and this one here is also at flex start. What's that going to look like? We're going to have 1, 2, and 3 boxes in the top left of the page. Okay, what if I do this? How's that going to change it? What's this going to look like? One, two, three is a column, top left of the page, right? Somebody read this code to me. How would you read this code? Let me read it to you so you understand how you should read this code, and then I'll ask somebody else. So we have a flex container. The flex container is main. It has 3 flex items. The immediate direct children are the flex items. Those are the 3 divs inside main, right? That's what display flex does. There is no wrapping. So flex wrap is set to no wrap. Flex direction is column. So these are going to be arranged in a column from top to bottom. And then justify content operates on the primary axes. The primary axis is a column. So justify content is going to put this at the top of the column. Align items operates on the cross axes. The cross axes is a row. So align items is going to put this at the start of the row, flex start of the row. So this will be at the top left of the page, a column going 1, 2, 3 down. Now, if I change this to flex end, what's that going to look like? Somebody read the code to me. Start here. Read the code out loud to me.
Display flex, flex wrap, flex standard, column, justify content, flex start, align items, flex end.
That was some pretty sad mumbling. I want you all to be able to learn how to project your voice. We have a flex container. That flex container is main. This makes it a flex container. All the immediate direct children are flex items. Those are the 3 divs inside main. There's no wrapping. The flex direction is column, so the primary axis is a column. Justify content is operating on the primary axes. And so it's going to put everything on the column at the top of the column, the start of the column. And align items operates on the cross axes. The cross axes is the row. This is going to put things at the end of the row. So it's going to be at the top of the column, into the row. Top of the column is up here. Into the row is over here. So it's going to put everything right there. Okay? So the important thing is just to be able to read it with that primary axis, cross axes kind of speak. And know that justify content operates on the primary axes, and align items operates on the cross axes, and the axes change when you change flex direction. That's the primary thing to understand about Flexbox. Ding! So for this assignment, I want you to put that in all 12 corners of this page, all 12 little areas of the page. You know, so if I want this to be, somebody call out a corner. Bottom left? Bottom left. My column needs to be into column. My row needs to be start a row. So column, what operates on the column is justify content, operates on the primary axis, which is column, and I need that to be flex in. Cross axis is align items operates on the cross axis. The cross axis is row. I need that to be flex start.
So primary is like the x-axis.
No.
No?
Primary is set by flex direction. And it's whatever flex direction says. It's a column, then primary is column. It's a row, then primary is row. Okay?
You said make what? 20? 12?
Yeah, 12. Put it into each position. I'll put those assignments on Blackboard. Hey, please go buy this course on Greater Commons. It's only $20. Teachers don't make any money. I need all the help I could get. Right there, please, please, please help support my work. Thank you.